So we're at the Opera.
Yeah.
IFA 2011. What are you showing?
We are showing the Opera TV Store. It's a solution for manufacturers of TVs, content providers, and customers to meet all together in one common marketplace and use applications.
So this is developed by you, the whole interface?
Yes.
What is it based on?
It's based on Opera browser technology, which means that this is running all in HTML and HTML5. It uses video capability, so it's really easy for, let's say, a big TV company like French National TV to integrate their already existing HTML solutions in an app and give it to customers.
Is it Opera on top of Linux?
What's in the bottom of the whole system, it can vary a lot. The point is that we make a browser that is compatible with a lot of different chipsets and operating system.
Right now, is Linux this one?
Right now, this one is running on a specialized box. So
something's going on. This is right here, for example, it's Broadcom ARM-powered device, ARM-powered box.
I don't have the technicalities of that. This one is just the test system, so it will run directly on the TV. There will be no need for a box in between. Manufacturers of TVs can choose to include the solution right into the TV, but also set-top box manufacturers like Sagem can choose to include it in their set-top box if they want to, or Blu-ray players can integrate it.
And so can you show a bit how it works?
Yeah. It's a basic TV store here. This is where you download all applications you want.
TV store?
Yes, Opera TV Store is the name. Once you have downloaded an application, it will go to your dashboard, and you can see you have dynamic speed dial-like links here. Speed dial is a technology we pioneered in the Opera desktop browser. So you can get today's weather directly into one of these applications without actually opening it. If you open it, you go to the more advanced data, of course. You can also integrate it with videos and podcasts. We have a program here from Drive.
This is RSS podcasts, something like that?
It's Drivecast. You can see. Here you go. It's easy to update and play videos directly into the browser and into the TV store.
So it's launching in Q1 next year?
Yes.
How is it different from a Google TV or Android?
That's a good question. What we want to do is to include more people to use this. So this will be used on a wider array of TVs because our specifications, our demands for hardware are much lower than many other manufacturers.
How much lower?
As far as I know, I think this can run as low as a 300 megahertz TV. As long as video hardware is done, video decoding is done in hardware.
For example, this is maybe an ARM9 CPU.
Probably, I don't know.
You don't need huge CPUs and stuff like that.
The Opera browser is very agile. It fits onto a lot of different infrastructures like ARM and MIPS.
How about if you do have a fast CPU? Can you do more?
Well, I guess what you can do is you can do more of the video stuff, but you see, video is already playing a little bit slow because of the network. Yeah, it's very crowded. But for us, we want to have the whole spectrum. So we don't want to start at like really high-end devices. We want to offer it for everybody, and that's in the best interest for manufacturers too, to include the whole spectrum.
You're already on some TVs, right?
Yes.
How many?
I can't disclose the number of shipped TVs, but we are on
many.
Yeah, many TVs. Like, so we have Sony, but that's a different solution than this one.
It's just using just the browser.
Yeah, and also we do have some app integrations on other brands as well.
So everything that goes on there is HTML.
In this one, yeah, in this one everything is HTML.
JavaScript?
Yes.
How many JavaScript? Not all of them, just some of them. There's an API for app developers? SDK?
I'm not really sure about that one, but we do develop SDK for OEMs. As for developing for this store, it's HTML and HTML5 all the way.
How much does it cost? License? Secret?
That's a secret.
Okay. So the idea is the TV manufacturer can put it in the TV?
Yes.
That's the idea?
Yes.
No set-top box?
Well, set-top boxes as well. If they want to, they are welcome to join us and...
Make a very cheap set-top box.
Yes.
Like $30 or what?
Probably, yeah. Cheapest. So yeah, but that's the beauty of the Opera browser, is that it runs low in the hardware also, as well as high-end.
So you call it the Opera
TV Store. Opera TV Store, yeah.
Yeah, right.